Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Football Manager. To begin your journey, select a club that aligns with your ambitions, considering its financial situation and the quality of its squad. Next, establish your unique managerial philosophy and preferred tactical approach. Remember to familiarize yourself with your backroom staff, which can number over a dozen, and delegate responsibilities to them to optimize your club's operations from day one. This foundational work is crucial for long-term success. Once your club is set up, focus on crafting a winning tactical system that maximizes your players' abilities. Consider formations, team instructions, and player roles to create a cohesive unit. Implement a comprehensive training regimen, balancing general teamwork with specific attribute development for individual players. You can assign up to 3 individual training focuses per player. This dedicated approach to training and tactics will significantly enhance your team's performance on the pitch. Building a strong squad involves smart recruitment. Invest in a robust scouting network, sending scouts to various regions to unearth hidden gems and future stars. When negotiating transfers, aim for favorable fees and contract terms to maintain financial stability, often saving millions of pounds. Nurture your youth academy, as developing young talent from within can provide a steady stream of first-team players for years to come, potentially saving you tens of millions in transfer fees. On match days, your in-game decisions are vital. Make timely tactical adjustments, such as changing formations or player instructions, to influence the outcome. Beyond the pitch, maintaining high player morale and positive team dynamics is crucial for consistent performance. Engage with the media thoughtfully and manage board expectations to ensure your job's security. Successfully navigating these aspects will lead your club to glory, potentially winning dozens of trophies over a long career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.